My name is Rasha from Pixel Group. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a video. Everyone are born with a hidden talent. You might be good at dancing, singing, sports, solving maths problems or anything. Whatever you do, there is someone who would love to learn from you. So make sure to make a video. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips to make a video. First one, always have a good or HD quality of camera or else you can record it in your mobile phone like I'm doing it now. Second one, lighting. Record your videos in the daytime or else in front of the light so that you look bright. Third one, background. Always choose dark walls or the clean backgrounds, and most importantly, make sure to record your video in isolated area where nobody can disturb you. Fourth one, length of the video. Long videos can lose the interest, so make short and sweet videos where people will love to watch you. Fifth one, editing. When there is unnecessary or unwanted content in your video, you can crop it, trim it or cut it. So editing is most important. So these are the 5 tips to make a video. And most importantly, there are 2 more things that I want to share with you. First thing is that never share your personal information like your full name, your address. And second thing is never try to copy others' content. So these are the 2 things you have to remember before you make a video. So I hope you love watching me. Thank you guys.